was a cold January night. I decided to go out and get a bite. She was there, we talked and took the time to share. And we spent some time together. And let the story now be told that our friendship was anything but old. There were times when it had smoldered into something, and before the night could begin, we left that place together. Out in the distance, a fire lit up the night. It drew us to it like a moth onto a light. And I never will forget the night the dairy farm burned down. The flames took the cold out of the night, and as we held each other tight, there were more than those flames burning out of control that night. And as the time passed on, we spent that time together. As a boy, I walked those barns from end to end. And at that very moment, she made me feel like a child again. A night like this could only come one time. And in that snapshot I was hers and she was mine. But our restless spirits would not for long be so inclined. We only had a few more nights together. And for that moment a fire lit up our night. We were drawn together like a moth onto a light. And I never will forget the night the dairy farm burned down. I never will forget the night the dairy farm burned down.